Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to play Jingle Bell Rock, song by Bobby Helms in 1957. But before we proceed, shout out! Shout out to Musikera, Aya Ay Tibiag, Songs for All Seasons, Ami Ann Kersmid, Badong's Travel, Dan Juneda, Marlon Borgonio from Dubai, and Daryl Aguirre Official, Marie Ann Ona, MMV Vlog, Brand and Breakfast by Avi, and lastly, Janine Kuramoto Vlogs. Thank you so much, guys! We have 5 chords in key of G. G in 2nd fret, 3rd and 1st string, 3rd fret and 2nd string. Next is E minor, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string. Next chord, we have A minor, 2nd fret, 4th string. Next, we have D, 2nd fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. We can also use our thumb. And the last chord, we have C, in a 3rd fret, 1st string. And the strumming pattern is down, up. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell run. We have 4 chords to play on verse 1 to verse 2. G, E minor, A minor, and D. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle bell has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bells time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In a frosty air. We only have 3 chords on chorus. C, G, and D. What a bright time, it's a right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. We only have 5 chords on verse 3 going to coda. G, E minor, A minor, C, and D. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingle and beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell run. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye. That's the jingle bell run.